So have you ever felt like trading Forex is just not for you? No matter how much you learn, it just doesn't work out for you? So don't throw away the idea of not learning how to trade. There's something that you need to change, and I want you guys to listen to this. So losing on the Forex market isn't always about lack of skill or discipline, but it can also be the use of outdated and flawed systems. You know, having been trading for plenty of years and mentoring people over the last 10 years, I've watched people go from using EAs, bots, stuff like that. And the truth of the matter is, these things are based on man, and they can fail. And that's why years ago when I continued to fail, I had to think like there has to be a more timeless approach to trading on the market. And it took me back to some fundamental principles that we all live by. And one that's huge for me is the fact that, what goes up will come back down, gravity. And it had me thinking, and I said to myself, what is the market going up to? What is the market going down to? The market is only going up to a resistance level. So why not find that resistance level? Why not focus on, how a setup looks when the market is exhausted at that resistance level, and vice versa when it's going down? And it was when I realized that fundamental principle that things started to change. I started to see things for what it was. Yeah, you could look at the chart and you could see a bunch of noise. But just because you see candles everywhere, the market is doing one or two things. It's either going up to resistance or it's going down to support, regardless. And once I simplified that process, like I said, things changed for me, and it brought clarity to the markets, where at one point I just saw confusion. I saw it just looked like it was candles everywhere, and you can't see through that maze. You can't see through it. And truthfully, when I talk to folks about my focus on strictly the US 30, people oftentimes wonder, of all instruments, you focus on the US 30, and that's one that a lot of people of late decided to just totally abandon. And I'm telling you, regardless of what instrument that you're trading, it's about breaking free of what is not working. That frustration, that confusion of ineffective strategy, and embracing an approach that actually works. So it's not so much about you that isn't fitting for the job of trading Forex. It's about you adopting a new strategy or a new discipline that's timeless and simplified. And I'm telling you, if you're struggling with this concept, with this idea of adopting a new strategy, I urge you to get connected with me. I can show you exactly the methods that I'm using that has been proven over the years. The reason why I've been running long as I have, that's actually working. And so if you want to learn how to trade on the US 30, I have a simple approach to how to trade on these charts. All right, and you want to make sure you get connected. There's no sense in overcomplicating it. Keep it as simple as possible. If you feel like you need a little bit more guidance, my US 30 Assassins Club, we do have our own private Telegram where I actually help my students in real time through Telegram, where I'm actually guiding them through setups that I call out that I find on the market. In fact, I just found a setup for them to actually trade on, and I'm watching it right now. And it's really amazing. So if you need that assistance, if you need that direct guidance, then you need to get connected with someone who knows the ropes, not just someone who's pushing the idea of trading and leaving you high and dry. I know exactly what to do in the market. I have great insight and great wisdom on this. So if you need it, I'm here for you. All right, so just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. Let's always remember to remain and stay prayed up in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.